January 20th, 2003. The French foreign minister declared about the growing Iraq crisis. We believe that military intervention would be the worst solution. This is part of a growing chorus of opposition both internally and internationally to the USA's moves towards invading Iraq, which it went ahead and did just 2 months later in March 2003 with limited support from the international community. French opposition to US invasion plans eventually angered some patriotic Americans to the point that they replaced the word French with freedom on menu items. French fries became freedom fries, French toast became freedom toast.